Hello, welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. This is a place for friendly voices and simple English. I am your host, Lovely. I am so happy you are here with me today. Do you like this podcast? Please follow us. It helps you find us again. It is easy. Are you ready for our topic? It is a very important idea. The title is, You Don't Need to Know It All to Speak English Well. Let me say that again. You do not need to know all the words. Your grammar does not need to be perfect. To speak well, you only need to start. You only need to try. Do you wait to speak? Do you think, first I will learn more words, then I will speak? My friend, that day may never come. The best way to learn is to use your English now. Use it today. Let's listen to a short conversation. Two people are at a coffee shop.
Hello. One coffee, please.
Sure. Hot coffee?
Yes, hot. And one water.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Did you hear that? It was a simple talk. It was not perfect. Person A said, one water. This is a little simple, but it is okay. The worker understood. The message was clear. This is good communication. This is a success. So, what can we learn? First, use the words you know. You know many words. Words like hello, thank you, coffee. These words are strong. Use them. Do not wait for the perfect sentence. A short sentence is a good sentence. Second, it is okay to be simple. You do not need to say, I would like to purchase 1 cup of hot coffee. You can say, 1 coffee, please. It is friendly. It is clear. It is good English for a beginner. You are learning. People understand that. Let's listen to the conversation again. Listen to the simple words. Hear the friendly voices.
Hello. One coffee, please.
Sure. Hot coffee?
Yes, hot. And one water.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
You see, you understood everything, and you can say this. You know all these words. This is a real situation. You are ready for it. Remember, every English speaker was a beginner one time. They felt nervous. They made mistakes. Making mistakes is how you learn. It is normal. It is good. So please be kind to yourselves. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Say the sentences out loud. It is just you and me. No one is listening. Are you ready? Hello. 1 coffee, please. Thank you. Excellent. You are speaking English right now. You are doing it. So, what is the lesson for today? Let's remember. You do not need to know all English words. Start with the words you know. Use simple sentences. That is enough. People will understand you. The goal is to talk, not to be perfect. You are getting better every day. Just by listening, you are learning. I am proud of you for trying. Thank you for your time today. Remember, you are not alone. I am here with you. Keep going. You can do this. Until next time, this is Lovely. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking English.